Hey guys, it's Leda and today I'm going to make a yummy, nutritious salad to prove to you that I do eat food, not just supplements. Let's do it. And this has been a requested video. Make some more food videos, not just supplement and skincare. And of course, I'm probably going to take this with at least a liver pill or a liver kelp pill or something. So we went to the farmer's market and there were some beautiful tomatoes. We got some ricotta cheese. Normally I would make this maybe with a Greek yogurt. It's got pretty simple ingredients, some delicious tomatoes, Persian cucumbers, you can make with other cucumbers, some green onions, and ricotta cheese. Some cilantro that I had left over. I wish I had more cilantro. It was kind of wilty, so I used it up. A little bit of lemon from my lemon tree right out here, a little Myers lemon tree, and just put it over a bed of some mixed greens. And of course, I always have my broccoli sprouts happening. Beautiful purple fermented cabbage. And then I just made a little bit of raisins for some diversity with the flavors. It's really yummy. Every time I have a salad, I have the purple cabbage and the broccoli sprouts. You don't have to do that, but I just always do. And here are all of our lovely ingredients. A lemon from my tree. I'm going to cut the smaller tomatoes just in quarters. And then the larger tomatoes, I might cut a little bit more to make them all about the same chunky size. Cut the ends of the cucumbers, and then I'm just going to slice them a 1/4 inch or however large you desire, really, up to you. And then the ends of our green onions, I'm just going to slice them pretty small all the way up through the green part, which I love. Take out the seeds from the lovely lemon, squeeze it, and just get all the juice out with my spoon. Delicious. A little bit of oregano. Chop up the cilantro. And then our ricotta cheese, just as much as you like. Delicious. Bit of cumin. I love cumin. Not too much. Garlic, olive oil. Yum. Then our bed of greens. Of course, our bunch of broccoli sprouts, our cabbage ferment, and then just dish on as much as you like. A little bit of raisins for diversity of flavor. This is a really good salad. You could really just do the tomatoes and cucumber and green onions and ricotta cheese or something creamy. If you don't do dairy, you could put some sort of cashew creamy cheese alternative. You don't even have to do that. You could just do the oil. I love garlic infused olive oil and some lemon. You could put whatever you want on there, man. I should probably do some like sweet potato squash type thing since it's fall, but this is what I'm doing today, guys. It's delicious. I eat food, and this is some food recipes for you. That was really good, too. I love tomatoes, you guys. Oh, so good. Just a blend of flavors. There's that little bit of palate cleanser you could do with the broccoli seed sprout, and the diversity of color is going to help you get all those different flavonoids and vitamins and nutrition diversity, darlings. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this, okay, guys? Yay! So thanks for watching, guys. Maybe that's not all of you wanted that, but some people were requesting a food video, so there you go. Another delicious recipe, a beauty food recipe, if you will. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Have an amazing day. Yes. Crispy, crunchy cucumbers. Hard to resist not just eating here, but it's hard to eat and talk. Somebody's car alarm. My apologies. Yeah, and I just put it up. Pretty, and then the diaper. Oh, eating again.